Ever pondered why some YouTube channels seem to skyrocket in popularity while others struggle to gain traction? It may not be as elusive as you might think. The secret often lies in the content type. Today, we delve into the 13 types of YouTube videos that can significantly boost your subscribers and income. Starting with the first one, product review videos. These are a great way to share your honest opinion about a product or service and build trust with your audience. Next up, product launch videos. If you're releasing a new product or service, this is a fantastic way to generate buzz and excitement. Merch launch videos are third on our list. If you've got your own merchandise, showcasing it through a dedicated video can drive sales and increase your income. Moving on, we have beauty videos. Whether it's makeup tutorials, skincare routines, or hairstyling tips, beauty content is incredibly popular on YouTube. Gaming videos are another big hit. Whether you're a pro gamer or a casual player, sharing your gaming experiences can attract a massive audience. DIY videos are next. If you're the creative type, sharing your craft and teaching others how to do it can be a rewarding experience. The seventh type is keyword-based videos. This involves creating a video around a specific keyword or topic that's trending. It's a proven way to drive traffic to your channel. Educational videos are up next. If you're knowledgeable in a certain field, sharing your expertise can make you a go-to resource on YouTube. How-to videos are number 9. These are practical, informative, and highly searchable, making them a great way to attract new viewers. The 10th type is favorite best of videos. Sharing your favorite products, movies, books, or even moments can help connect with your audience on a personal level. Unboxing videos are 11th on our list. There's something oddly satisfying about watching someone unbox a new product, making these videos highly engaging. Q&A videos are next. These are a great way to interact with your audience, answer their questions, and build a strong community. And finally, the 13th type is listicle videos. Whether it's the top 10 tips for or 5 best ways to, listicles are fun, engaging, and highly shareable. To summarize, the 13 types of YouTube videos that can help grow your subscribers and income are product review, product launch, merch launch, beauty, gaming, DIY, keyword-based, educational, how-to, favorite best of, unboxing, Q&A, and listicle videos. Remember, the goal isn't to create every type of video on this list, but to find the ones that align with your channel's theme and your audience's interests. It's about creating content that resonates with your viewers and encourages them to engage, subscribe, and ultimately contribute to your income. Harness the power of these 13 video types and watch your YouTube channel flourish.